Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your avatar in Facebook Messenger. Now let's begin. I'm simply gonna open up the Messenger app in my mobile device. Do note that I have already updated Messenger to the latest version, so if you have not, do update it and log into your account right now. Now let's look at our main topic, that's how to change avatar in Facebook Messenger. At the very top left, there's a button right next to chat. Just click on it, and something like this will open up from the sidebar. What we need to do right now is simply go to settings. The button's right here at the top right, it's a gear-like icon. Just click on it. You will then be redirected to a page like this. There are lots and lots of options here, but right now, we simply want to change our avatar. Under the Preferences tab lies the avatar icon right here. Just click on it. It will then redirect you to a page like this. Now, as I had not made my avatar previously, it's asking me to make my avatar. Just click on this button that says make your avatar. The page is loading up. Now it's gonna ask me to select a skin tone. I'm gonna click on next. Now you simply select your hairstyles. Click on next. Your hair colors and everything. I actually do not want to edit anything right now. I'm simply gonna click on next. My avatar is being updated. Now it's updated, I'm gonna click on next right here. Once I had uploaded my avatar, now instead of make your avatar button, here's edit avatar. Just click on it. Now a page like this will open up. Now from here you can change your appearance. Just scroll down. You can select anything. Lots and lots of options here. You can go to the store as well. Let's see. There are so many outfits here. Select whichever one you wish. Once everything's okay, simply hit on save. Now it's gonna ask you for your confirmation. Simply hit on save right here. Well, that's it. That's how you create your avatar and edit it in Facebook Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.